Hi, my name is Brittany Chapman, and I have been a notary signing agent for approximately 2 years now. Before loan signing, I'm actually an attorney, so I was practicing law. And then when I had to take a break because of my kiddos and family, I decided to go ahead and do loan signings. I've learned so much from the loan signing system, from running a business to how to do loan signings, everything under the sun that can help you be successful. That's what the loan signing system teaches you. My favorite part about the LSS family is actually coming to conferences like this where you get to meet other people and network with your fellow co-workers, because we're all independent. However, we have a family that we can rely on, talk to, and just overall be with and enjoy each other's company. As far as what the loan signing system has given me and being a loan signing agent, it's given me freedom with my time, it's given me flexibility, it's given me a positive state of mind that I can do anything that I set my mind to. I recommend the loan signing system because I believe that it is the most all-encompassing course. And then they don't just leave you out there with online courses, they also hold your hand with mentorships, the Facebook group, LSS conferences like this, so you continue to learn and grow. And he continues to update the course as well, so it's not just a one-time thing. I like the fact that it feels like we're continually learning all together. I would tell people, don't hold back, okay? Even if you've never done a signing, this is gonna propel you forward. When I came last year, I hadn't done a single signing. And after that, all I did was work harder in my business and go to farther levels than what I thought I could initially do. So don't hold back, don't be fearful. This is gonna be the best decision that you make business-wise.